Today, we embark on an exciting journey, restoring an old 15-gear reducer, a key component in many large mechanical systems. After years of inactivity, it has become covered with rust and hardened grease, looking more like a piece of scrap metal than a functional machine. But don't let its appearance fool you. Beneath the rust lies a complex piece of engineering that, with a bit of care, can be brought back to life with all its original strength. As the gear reducer is placed on the workbench, the extent of the damage caused by time becomes evident. The surface is rough, the parts are stuck together, and many bolts are so corroded they seem impossible to loosen. This will be a challenging task, but the result will undoubtedly be worth it. We begin by carefully disassembling every component. The technician firmly grips a wrench and starts with the bolts, many of which are jammed after years of exposure. Each turn of the wrench is met with resistance due to the buildup of rust. But with the help of penetrating oil, the task becomes easier. Patience is key, as every bolt must be removed gently to avoid damaging the threads. Once the casing is opened, the internal mechanism is revealed. An intricate web of gears, shafts, and bearings, all coated with dirt and dried grease. One by one, each part is removed, sorted, and placed aside, ready for cleaning. With the disassembly complete, it's time to clean every component thoroughly. The technician submerges all parts in a rust removal solution, allowing the chemicals to gradually loosen the tough grime. Small bubbles rising to the surface show that the solution is doing its job. After soaking, the parts are scrubbed with a steel brush, ensuring that every corner and gear tooth is freed from rust. Larger components are polished with a specialized machine, revealing the shiny metal beneath. It's immensely satisfying to see the transformation as each part becomes clean and vibrant, like they've just come off the production line. After cleaning, every component undergoes a meticulous inspection. The gears are rotated to ensure that no teeth are chipped or damaged. This step is crucial because even a slight imperfection could prevent the entire system from functioning smoothly. Fortunately, everything is intact, and with a bit of lubricant, the gears will work as well as new. The technician applies a protective layer of oil to each part, preventing future rust and ensuring smooth operation. Every groove, shaft, and bearing is carefully oiled to make sure nothing is overlooked. Now it's time to reassemble the gear reducer. The technician begins by reinstalling the shafts and gradually fits each gear back into its original position. This task requires absolute precision. Even a minor misalignment could jam the entire mechanism. Every part is double-checked before being secured, and once everything is in place, the gears are spun by hand to ensure they mesh perfectly. As the gears rotate smoothly, the soft metallic clink reassures us that the system is working as intended. With the final bolts tightened, the restored gear reducer is ready for a complete test. The gears turn steadily and smoothly, a testament to the care and precision that went into the restoration. This vintage gear reducer has now been fully revived. From a rusted, useless block of metal, it has been transformed into a powerful and smooth-running machine, just as it was in its prime. Whether it returns to active duty or becomes a display piece, it stands as a tribute to the value of classic mechanical craftsmanship. This project demonstrates that with patience and dedication, anything can be restored to life. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoy restoration projects like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos. See you next time for another exciting adventure.